Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Quantitative Methods, Part 8. In a dataset with extreme values, which measure of central tendency best represents typical observations? A. Mode. B. Median. C. Arithmetic mean. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Median. Which approach is best to assess portfolio shortfall risk after interest rate rise? A. Analyze joint probability changes among assets. B. Assume portfolio returns uncorrelated with risk-free rate. C. Recalculate expected return and standard deviation, then evaluate safety-first ratio. D. Not applicable. Answer is C. Recalculate expected return and standard deviation, then evaluate safety-first ratio. How is a par yield curve best described? A. Constructed using zero coupon bond yields. B. Always steeper than spot yield curve. C. Plots coupon rates giving bonds par prices. D. All of the above. Answer is C. Plots coupon rates giving bonds par prices. What is the approximate value of a preferred stock paying $5 annually with 8% required return? A. $40. B. $62. C. $100. D. None of the above. Answer is B. $62. When does a type 2 error most likely occur in hypothesis testing? A. Rejecting a true null hypothesis. B. Failing to reject a true null hypothesis. C. Failing to reject a false null hypothesis. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Failing to reject a false null hypothesis. Which statement accurately describes Ms. Chen's investment return measures? A. Money-weighted return reflects personal earnings. Time-weighted return measures fund managers' decisions. B. Time-weighted return is lower than money-weighted and best for personal evaluation. C. Both returns are identical due to investment gains and losses. D. Not applicable. Answer is A. Money-weighted return reflects personal earnings. Time-weighted return measures fund managers' decisions. What happens to the 1-year US dollar to pound sterling forward rate if the US dollar risk-free rate rises more than the British pounds with constant spot rate? A. Forward rate increases, USD expected to depreciate. B. Forward rate remains unchanged. C. Forward rate decreases, USD expected to appreciate. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Forward rate increases, USD expected to depreciate. How are nominal government bond yields affected by expected higher inflation due to government borrowing? A. Yields remain stable, real risk-free rate dominates. B. Yields increase due to higher inflation premium. C. Yields decrease expecting stronger currency. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Yields increase due to higher inflation premium. According to Roy's safety first criterion, which portfolio should an investor choose given the returns and standard deviations? A. Portfolio B due to higher expected return. B. Portfolio A with higher safety first ratio. C. Portfolio A with lower standard deviation. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Portfolio A with higher safety first ratio. Which mean best calculates the average price paid by an investor using fixed monthly investments at varying stock prices? A. Harmonic mean, appropriate for fixed investment amounts. B. Geometric mean, suitable for averaging growth rates. C. Arithmetic mean, averaging prices equally. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Harmonic mean, appropriate for fixed investment amounts. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, subscribe to BISP Trainings.